0 to Juliet Alpha, runway 27, clear for the option number 2, wind 2706.
Okay, clear for the option, runway 27. We'll make this one a full stop for 0 Juliet Alpha.
Roger. 662, frequency change approved, have a safe flight.
Kind of went to the drawing board with a lot of sketches. We started in CAD.
This panel is made from carbon, cold rolled steel. It is powder coated. I finished the whole glare shield process here with this beautiful edge trim molding.
There's actually some LED lighting under the glare shield as well to replicate what panel lights would be when you're actually flying. I've really gone to great lengths to make a great product that's incredibly stable, that's incredibly easy to have all your avionics integrated into with a couple of USB hubs, and you just simply pick up your panel, place it on your desk, and plug it in with a single USB connection.
The whole goal here is to bring realism to the experience, to be able to be familiar with avionics and use avionics, and hopefully that drives you to go and actually pursue getting a private pilot certificate.